guys, Josh here, your Amazon optimization guru, and I'm here to talk about all things related to Amazon and how you can increase your sales on the channel. So if you're looking for a more personalized approach, I do offer one-on-one consulting services, and you can learn more about those in the link in the description below. So today I wanted to kind of talk about a topic that I think obviously has gotten a lot of attention lately, and how you can use this to leverage, optimize, and further increase your sales on the Amazon platform. And that specific topic is AI and generally what you can do to utilize its functionality to help you not only save time, but also to research, to curate, and really to do anything that you need in order to kind of hone in your listings or starting a new listing. So we're going to start here and look at kind of the main components today of what AI can help you do and optimize for your listings. Specifically, if you go to the Amazon website itself, you can see that there are certain areas, and you can check out my other videos that are very notable and very important in terms of how your item ranks and how it converts and sells. And these are the title, the description bullet points, which you can see down here. And then you also may have a product description. And if you're utilizing the A plus content, that'll take precedence and replace the product description, as well as an about the brand section. So you can see that we have these key areas as well as keywords, which I would definitely recommend too. So you have the title, you have the product description, you have the product bullet points, and you have the keywords. And also you can utilize AI image tools. I'll do a video on this to create A plus content, which will be a separate part in itself of this series. So if you take, for example, that you might have products you want to either optimize or put on the platform for the first time to start selling, what you can do is you can use AI to write some of these sections. So here, for example, you could say, okay, I want AI to write a description and title for my plant protein product. So what you want to do first is kind of lead by benefits. And this is, again, a general recommendation that I give all sellers is whatever product you're selling, lead by the benefits. You know, what does this product have and what can it do for you? So one way that you can go about doing that is you can actually get started using either Google Gemini, or you can use any other AI tool, ChatGPT, etc., to curate these. I prefer Gemini personally. Again, it's what you're comfortable with and what you think gives you the best result. So here, we might want to try the prompt, write an Amazon product title for my protein plant-based 21 grams protein, non-GMO, organic. And you can see here I'm listing some of the details. So whatever product you have, you want to list in some of the benefits you can think of. If you're having a hard time thinking of benefits for it, you could actually start with AI listing some benefits for you to research. So we'll just start with this prompt here, and you'll be able to see what it comes back with. So here you can see all of the recommendations. Now, if you want to refine it more, you can give a character limit, utilize as many as 150 characters. Generally, it's 150 to 200 characters for your title. You can try implementing a 200 character one, or looking at the specifics for each Amazon category. But for now, we'll hone it in a little bit. We'll see, where we can keep within that character limit, or maybe we can expand it more. So add to this so that it's closer to 200 characters in length. And then you can see that we'll hone it over time. And this is sort of the process that I like to use in order to create a title. We can even take this and we can list benefits from it. So we could say list additional benefits based off of this title. And then we can see that there'll be additional product benefits that will be listed from the actual AI program. And then what we can do is we could pick one of these titles here, and we could say insert these benefits into this title. So I'm going to select this title, and we're going to insert the benefits into this one here. And then what you want to do is you want to take that title and you want to make sure that you have all of the other elements that are involved. So, for example, you might want to include the weight at the end of it or the flavor, as well as the brand name in the beginning. I do have another video on Amazon titles specifically that you can check out, so have a look at my channel there. So that's generally it, and then you'll take that title and you're going to implement it onto your backend here. So you can see I have an optimized title for this product here. Nothing too crazy, but I think it has all the callouts, utilizes all of the characters, and is fairly optimized to perform quite well. So that's the first element of it. And then what you can do is you can take these titles and you can have them create a product description from that. So you could say create an Amazon product description based off of this. And then AI should be able to generate a description field for you that you can use to implement. So you can see here you have some of the description. If you want to refine it more, you can say add these benefits or add to this description or make this description a paragraph and continue refining it until you get it as close as you want it to be to your specific product. And the same goes for these bullet points. So we have a few here that he gave, which I think are pretty good. If we want to utilize all the bullet points Amazon gives, which I would recommend, I think we can use up to 10 of those. So we could use the prompt create 10 bullet points for Amazon for this product. And then we'll see what it comes up with and implement that. And then just double check it based on your product. You obviously want to check for accuracy, credibility. You want to make sure you're not making any claims that are outside of what your product offers. So do a double check on that just to make sure everything's accurate. Here you can see it's given us 10 bullet points, so we could implement those in our bullet point section. And then what we could do is we can look onto our keywords, generate keywords for Amazon based on this product. And you can see here that we're also going to have a bunch of keywords generated for it. And what I'd recommend in this last step is implementing these keywords on the back end. So there is a keyword section, not an item type, but there's a generic keyword section where you can add one keyword type at a time. And then there's a more general keyword section where you can just list and enter your keywords depending on the product type. So what I do is I recommend taking these keywords and implementing it in the keyword sections, and then also looking and seeing if you're missing any of them. And I would say probably mostly looking at with emphasis on the product benefit keywords, and seeing if you can incorporate those as well into the title, into the description, or into the bullet points. And again, you can use the same exercises before where you say incorporate keyword X, keyword Y, and keyword Z into these bullet points, and then paste that into the prompt or into this product description or into this product title. And then what it's going to do is spit out a more refined, optimized version that you can utilize and leverage in your listing. So, we did all of that in less than 10 minutes. Very easy, very quick, timely, and, it's been very optimized overall for performance, for ranking. So it will help out a lot if you leverage that. And again, don't forget to use just your general consensus, what your experience is with the product, what you think you could add in, and how you could modify each of these. So I think a human component is still very important. And other than that, I really hope that this tool and AI in general will help you with your listing journey and your sales overall. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.